Welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be cleaning out my refrigerator and organizing it after I go food shopping. First, we're going to go ahead and start by removing all of the food, kind of throwing a lot of outdated or old food in the trash, getting all the condiments to see if anything expired. We're just going to kind of remove everything at this point. I'm going ahead to use the Method all-purpose cleaner, but I usually get that from Target. I really like that stuff. It always amazes me how the stuff just gets on your refrigerator. Like, how does something get back there? But anyhow, I'm just going to go ahead and try to wipe down everything that I can. Now, these three little shelves that's on the side of the door, they were really dirty, and I tried to kind of wipe them off. But then eventually I go ahead and remove them and kind of get it with some nice hot soapy water. There go my daughter playing with the lights. I'm not sure why she found that so fascinating, but she just loves to open the refrigerator sometimes and just turn that light on and off. So right here, I'm just going to kind of do a little bit of the dishes that's in there. And I'm also going to kind of clean out all of the big refrigerator drawers that slides under the bottom and the one that's in the middle. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off all of the condiments, just to make sure I get all the grease and the spills from using the different condiments, and just kind of wipe them down so they don't kind of spill onto the refrigerator. Most of the organizers, I purchased them at Ross or Marshalls or Home Goods, and I really love these organizers, these clear organizers. I can definitely see what I have, what I need to buy. So right now we just came back from the supermarket, and I'm going to go ahead and organize the food and put them all in the little organizer containers that I have. So at this point, all the children were kind of helping me out with organizing it. My son's, which is behind the camera, he was actually kind of taking off the snacks that did not go in the refrigerator and kind of putting them on my pantry. You'll see a little bit later how I have my daughter help out, because they just love to help out. So you're going to see when she starts to fill up the cookie tray. But right now I'm just putting all the refrigerator and freezer stuff away. Do y'all put your bread in the refrigerator? Sometimes I put my bread in the refrigerator. I have a few loaves already in the bread box, and I kind of don't want this one to go bad, so I'll go ahead and put them in the refrigerator. Right now the kids are going ahead and organizing some of the snacks that's going to go over in our pantry. If you made it to the end, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our videos. We're coming to an end of this video, and why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will be doing more cleaning videos, not just on my refrigerator, but the rest of the house. And if you like this type of stuff, hit a like and comment and give me some suggestions on certain things that I can do a little bit better with cleaning. And yes, the fruit, I did not wash them right now, but I will wash them later on after this video.